Do you love MacGyver? Yes. No MacGyver. Isn't he a funny dog?
You don't know what to do with them though, huh?
Bye-bye.
Oh. That's a doggy.
What a silly girl. You are a silly girl. Yeah, this is not as impressive.
Well, we figured he would do the south one last, just in case he wanted to go back.
Yeah. It adds quite a